As I mentioned in our last video, James, I'm glad you're interested in the accuracy and reliability of our CDV vacuum chambers for your tightness testing.
Absolutely, Emily. I am keen to understand just how reliable these CDV vacuum chambers are.
Well, let's start with a brief overview for those curious about how our vacuum chambers operate. I recommend watching our FAQ video titled, "What type of test does your CDV allow?" to gain a better understanding of their functionality. Now, to ensure the tests are as precise as possible, it's crucial to establish at what pressure level we're going to define the test. This allows us to detect leaks safely without causing damage to the product. Generally, our vacuum chambers with visual detection can identify leaks as small as 50 microns. For the pharmaceutical sector, using the methylene blue method, we can detect even finer leaks, up to 10 microns.
That sounds impressive. But how can I determine which type of test is appropriate for my products?
Ideally, companies should share with us a catalog of their products' known failures. This information helps us determine the most suitable testing method. We ensure that our vacuum chambers are prepared to perform the tests using methods and standards specifically chosen and validated for your packaging needs. For a deeper understanding of the standards that best fit your products, I invite you to watch our series of videos on our YouTube channel. These videos explain the purpose of each standard. We'll explore this topic further in an upcoming video.
And how can I identify what causes leaks in my packaging?
When discussing potential leaks, it is essential to consider 4 critical factors that could cause them. First, the design of the packaging plays a crucial role. Poorly designed packaging may have inherent flaws that lead to leaks. That's why many companies equip their research and development centers with our CDV equipment to validate packaging designs before initiating mass production. Second, the materials used must meet strict specifications. For plastic packaging, this might include the type of material, its thickness, and its physical characteristics. It is important to conduct thorough checks when you receive a new batch of bottles or plastic film to ensure they comply with the required standards before you begin packaging your products. Third, the packaging process itself, including filling and sealing operations, must be rigorously controlled to prevent the entire batch from having defects. Continuous process monitoring is crucial to maintain quality and integrity. Lastly, handling and logistics can also lead to leaks. Problems may occur on conveyor belts or simply due to the conditions under which the products are transported or handled, such as rough handling by personnel stocking shelves. Each stage of the process, from design to the delivery of the final product, must be carefully managed to ensure there are no issues.
I see, that makes sense.
In our next video, I'll delve into how our vacuum chambers help minimize human error. Stay tuned, I'm sure you'll find it insightful. Maximize the efficiency of your leak tests. Register to access our exclusive series of videos and receive a PDF guide that will help you choose the ideal CDV vacuum chamber for your needs.